Designed for frequent travellers, the RM6302 Automatique stands out for the beauty and technical sophistication of its automatic calibre, but above all for its easy-to-use and innovative world timer complication. An entirely new in-house calibre, the CRMA4, was designed to drive the RM6302, crafted from electroplasma-treated and microblasted titanium for its baseplate and bridges. This material ensures the perfect balance between strength, lightness, and rigidity. As part of the brand's systematic quest to optimize the efficiency and transmission of energy to the variable inertia balance wheel, its gear train features a 20-degree involute profile. Powered by a fast-rotating barrel, the movement ensures optimal regularity and offers a power reserve of 50 hours, provided by a rotor combining red gold and titanium. This fine mechanic powers an oversized date display, composed of two PVD-treated titanium skeletonized discs, which can be adjusted via a gold pusher corrector. Complementing this is Richard Mille's emblematic function selector, which allows to effortlessly switch between winding, hand setting and neutral modes, reducing strain on the crown during manipulation. The quick-set time zone adjustment is achieved through a specific gear train directly linked to the rotating bezel. This apparent simplicity conceals an extremely intricate mechanism comprising of nearly 100 components. The system is protected by a monumental rhodium-plated, black-polished and circular-grained bridge, which highlights the world timer mechanism, the oversized date display, and the titanium function selector disc, through its elegant skeletonization and the high degree of hand finishing also applied to every single component. Time reading is facilitated by a second titanium flange, equipped with a bi-coloured rose and burgundy disc, which indicates daytime and nighttime hours, while automatically making hour-by-hour corrections. This innovative system demands precise adjustment of its elements to ensure optimal and long-lasting functionality. The RM6302 is totally designed for easy daily use, epitomised by its microblasted red-gold rotating bezel. With a simple rotation, it allows users to set the local time and instantly adjust for the other 23 major cities, all displayed on the upper titanium flange. Despite its complexity, the watch maintains water resistance up to 30 meters, a feat validated through 5,000 function control cycles, with additional water resistance verification performed every 1,000 cycles. The RM6302 is the ultimate travel companion, embodying Richard Mille's technical excellence and stylistic innovation. With its ingenious time zone adjustment, it provides the perfect way to keep track of local time, making it an indispensable ally for those who call the world their home.